Namaste. We explore settlements and housing typologies from primitive to modern. Settlements are building clusters from single homes to cities, from Paleolithic caves to Mesolithic nomad shelters, to Iron Age cities, dynamic Dynapolis to Ecumenopolis, Paleolithic, caves, trees, Mesolithic, mammoth bone huts, Neolithic, permanent villages with thatched roofs near water, to Jericho foundations and medieval Huskon, rural, farming, natural, limited services, urban, jobs, culture, but crime and pollution, dispersed, scattered buildings, nucleated, clustered around center, linear, along roads, radial, circling hub, traditional, detached houses, cottages, bungalows, plotted, individual plots, low density, multi-storey, apartments, duplexes for cities, scissor flats in permanent house maximize space, slums, dense, poor infrastructure in Mumbai, squatters in Dharavi, shanties to multi-storey. Night shelters offer homeless refuge, essential for sustainable urban futures.